Hello, good afternoon, and how y'all guys doing out there? My name is Seth Boogie from L.I.N.T Apparel Printing, and today I'm going to do a little box opening. I think it's a little pretty epic because I know there's a lot of people out there who has a white toner printer, specifically the 8432 white toner printer, and I bought something that will, the printer itself was a game changer for me, and I've seen reviews for other people, and they pretty much felt the same way. This was a game changer. Let me show you real quick. This machine here is a white toner printer. It's the CYMK system. It's not true color, but it's not bad at all. This is very low maintenance printer. It you don't have to run any type of scheduled cleaning systems, any type of it doesn't have print heads. It's a toner. So the only maintenance you would have to do is switching out your toners, and each toner has a toner drum. So that's 8 components. That's pretty much it. And it specializes in printing on black. There's a lot of companies, a lot of people who can't produce that. I can. So, what I bought today and what we're going to open up is Dye Sublimation. You guys heard of that? Okay, so Dye Sublimation is popping off now. That's another apparel printing process, which is quite different from what I've been doing. You know, I do vinyl and I do heat transfer with the white toner printer, and I also got embroidery over there. But this is Dye Sublimation. How did I get into this or get to this? I ran into another guy at a pop-up shop who pretty much had a white toner printer such as mine, but it was a different brand and it was a different model, and he had some socks, and I'm like, "Yo, these are socks. These socks are cool. Like, who did your socks?" And he's like, "I did." But you said you bought a sublimation printer too, and he's like, "Nah, they got a kit, and I bought it from Uninet." And I'm like, "What?" He's like, "Yeah, iColor this, that, and the third." And I'm like, "All right." So after that, I went home and I did a little searching, and I pretty much was looking for YouTube videos. Anybody who's used this system, anybody who pretty much had any type of experience. And no, I didn't find any. I found a kit for this printer, but I didn't find any type of feedback, no reviews. So guess what? I'll be the first one. So strap up your seats, get your cups, coffee, whatever. We're about to unpack this, and then after we do the unpacking, I'm gonna run another video on how to install, and then I'm gonna do another video on the usage. So let's dive into it. Pretty much bust the box open already. Can't be mad at them while securing your stuff. Garbage just left. Alright, so okay, so what we got here is 4 boxes, 5 boxes. Okay, so it should be, alright, so being that it's 4 boxes, it should be 4 toners and 4 drums. each toner has its own drum. So this is the black sublimation cartridge and drum. Okay. Woo! Okay, and the drum guarantees you up to 20,000 pages of print. And the toner itself guarantees you up to 5,000 pages of print. Yes, that sounds pretty good to me. All right, let me pull up to you guys. Yeesh. Yeesh. All right, so here we are. Okay, black dye sublimation kit. This is the black toner. The black toner has its own drum. So, let me go ahead and assemble this for you. Garbage. That's garbage. Now, through my experiences with this system, I know to do this last, to do this part when I'm ready to actually insert the toner. Because sometimes they pre-tone this. There's tones in there already. You don't want to spill that out. So, I'm going to get this off. Nice and steady like. See, that's ready to go. So as you see, this slips into the groove. Is this locked over there? Yeah, it's probably locked. Okay, hold on. Oh, okay, there we go. All right, so it's in there. And then you lock it down. And that's ready to go. I got a mess to clean up. Okay, this must be the dongle for the iColor rip. I'll have more information on this on the next video. Okay, so this is the magenta toner and drum. Cyan and yellow. All right, so I got everything here. Unfortunately, I am running out of time, but I'll be back with the installation and then the use of dye sublimation for the 8432 white toner printer. Said Boogie signing out.